Hi, I'm Tracy Anderson with Legacy Woodworking Machinery. Legacy first introduced the ornamental mill in 1991. Over the past 17 years, Legacy has virtually changed the way thousands of people approach woodworking. We have helped woodworkers at all levels reach extraordinary heights, allowing them to create pieces that otherwise may not have been possible. Like all innovative, successful companies, Legacy Woodworking Machinery has evolved over the years, yet all of the ornamental mills are based on the idea of controlling 5 axes. The router can move in 3 directions or axes. The x-axis is along the length of the machine. The y-axis is from front to back, and the z-axis is up and down. The z-axis can be a simple plunge router or the optional z-axis upgrade. Curved profiles can be made by using a template. The headstock and tailstock allow you to rotate the stock. Spirals can be made using a set of gears. The indexing head allows you to make indexed cuts, such as flutes, reeds, and joinery. The bed can be set on an angle to mill tapers. Tapered pieces can be round or multi-sided and can feature spirals, flutes, reeds, joinery, and much more. As Legacy evolved, it became evident that using a computer would be the next step. In early 2008, Legacy developed the 4-axis CNC, or Computer Numeric Control upgrade for the ornamental mill. The CNC upgrade offers several advantages. The first advantage is that you only engineer once. You design and program the part one time, then you can mill the part anytime you want and as many times as you need. The Legacy ornamental mill is already the most versatile woodworking machine you can own. The CNC upgrade adds even more capabilities and automates the process. You can easily create signs or add decorative designs to your parts. Or you can quickly and easily add beautiful carvings. You can mill custom spindles and moldings, cut out parts, add precision joinery, as well as add carved details to both flat and spindle stock. One machine makes all of the components for your entire project, featuring any detail you want to add. The CNC upgrade also simplifies your setups. Let's take a look at just how easy it is to design and mill a 3-start rope.
Legacy has created a program to generate G-code for 4-axis milling. For example, to create a rope spiral, you simply enter in the parameters and the program will generate the code. The first step in the instructions says to enter the diameter of the router bit. That will go in this first field right here. We'll use a 1-inch cutter. The second one asks for the number of starts. We're going to make a 3-start rope. The starting position will be at 2, the ending position at 10, and the diameter of the stock will be 1.5 inches. And you can see it generates the G-code right here. This is the 3-start spiral G-code. The last step is to click this button to copy this code to your clipboard. Now when you open up Notepad, you will be able to paste this code into this file. There it is, the 3-start spiral G-code. We'll save it, and we're going to put this into our training folder. We'll call this the 3-start spiral. Now you can load this into Mach 3 and you're ready to start cutting. Now we'll open Mach 3 we'll load the 3-start spiral code. We'll 0 our A axis and then just hit cycle start.
The CNC control eliminates the need for templates, gears, linear drive motor, and indexing plates, and adds new capabilities to the ornamental mill. In fact, if you added up the cost of all of the accessories the CNC upgrade replaces, it totals over $3,000, and that does not include the cost of all of the optional templates. With the CNC upgrade, your computer will control 4 of the 5 axes. The adjustable bed is still controlled manually. This 5th axis is one of the major advantages of the legacy ornamental mill. A standard 4-axis milling machine cannot mill a tapered rope as quickly or cleanly as the ornamental mill. Other CNC systems use a small core box bit and basically nibble the profile. This is extremely slow and results in a part that requires a lot of sanding. It is this 5th axis, the adjustable bed, which allows the router bit profiles to stay parallel to the surface of the stock when cutting a taper. In fact, even a simple process such as milling a tapered round cylinder or cone is faster and smoother on the legacy ornamental mill. The 5th axis allows the surface planing bit to stay parallel to the surface of the part, resulting in much faster cutting speeds and a beautiful finish. Legacy's experience in milling and the ornamental mill's unique 5-axis design makes Legacy CNC Package the most versatile CNC milling machine available. Other CNC packages utilize only 3 axes. Some have an optional 4th axis, but only Legacy offers 5-axis capabilities at such an economical price. CNC may not be for everyone. However, Legacy offers an extremely economical CNC package for anyone who is interested in hands-free, accurate, repetitive work with almost unlimited design capabilities. Or for anyone who simply loves woodworking and computers. For shops offering limited to medium production, a CNC is definitely the way to go. Legacy's Performance Series CNC upgrade is available for the models 900, 1200, and 1800 for an introductory price of $7,500. One form of financing is a lease, which allows the machine to pay for itself. For example, a new Model 1200 with the CNC upgrade would cost you approximately $250 a month. For a shop working 5 days a week, 8 hours a day, that's just $11.91 a day, or $1.49 an hour. And it doesn't call in sick or ask for a vacation. For more information, please call Legacy Woodworking Machinery at 800-279-4570.